The 7 EDC tools that look innocent but save your life. This looks like a normal keychain, but it stopped an attacker in a parking lot last month. These look like regular earrings, but they've helped 3 women escape dangerous situations. And this pen, it saved 2 lives in car accidents. None of them look like what they actually are, and that's exactly the point. Today I'm showing you 7 EDC tools that look completely harmless but could literally save your life. Some are legal everywhere, some have restrictions. All of them work, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly which ones you need. The setup. Let's get real for a moment. According to FBI statistics, a violent crime occurs every 26 seconds in the United States. Personal safety isn't paranoia, it's preparation. But here's the problem. Most self-defense tools are obvious. Pepper spray, tactical flashlights, personal alarms. They scream, "I'm prepared for danger." And in some situations, that visibility makes you a target. Or they're not allowed in certain places. Airports, courthouses, schools. What if your self-defense tools looked like everyday items? What if your attacker had no idea you were armed until it was too late? What if you could carry protection through airport security into courthouses anywhere? Serious disclaimer. Before we start, I'm not a lawyer. Laws vary by location. Check your local regulations. These tools are for legal self-defense only. Use them responsibly. Now let's dive in. Tool number 1. Tactical pen, $25. The hidden weapon. Tool number 1. The tactical pen. This looks like a high-end writing instrument. Security guards, TSA agents, attackers, they all see a pen. But it's actually one of the most effective self-defense tools you can legally carry almost anywhere. Schrade SCPEN4BK Tactical Pen. This specific model, the Schrade Tactical Pen, writes like a normal pen, but it's made from aircraft-grade aluminum. The tip is reinforced and pointed. The body is designed as a striking tool. In a self-defense situation, you can use this to strike pressure points, eyes, throat, solar plexus, break car windows, escape tool, create distance from attacker. It's more effective than your fist because it concentrates force. Checkmark legal in all 50 states. Checkmark TSA-compliant. It's a pen. Checkmark allowed in courthouses. Checkmark allowed on planes. Checkmark no permit required. Real-world scenario. Real story from a user. A woman was being followed to her car at night. She had her tactical pen in hand, holding it like a knife grip. The attacker saw her confidence, saw she was holding something, and backed off. She never had to use it, but having it changed her body language enough to prevent the attack. Training emphasis. Here's the key. Get basic training. YouTube has free tutorials on pressure points and tactical pen use. Practice your grip. Know where to strike. This isn't a toy, it's a weapon disguised as a pen. Additional uses. Bonus uses. Break car windows in emergencies. Self-defense against animals. Dog attacks. Glass breaker. If you're trapped in vehicle. Actual writing. It's still a good pen. Purchase info. Cost $20 minus $30 for quality models. I recommend the Schrade or Uzi tactical pens. Built to last, actually write well, and genuinely effective. Tool number 2. Self-defense keychain, $15. The palm stick. Tool number 2. A self-defense keychain, also called a Kubotan or palm stick. This looks like a decorative keychain. Maybe a lipstick holder or a small flashlight, but it's actually a force multiplier. Various designs: cat ears, lipstick style, flashlight style. These come in many designs: cat shaped with pointed ears, lipstick makeup style, small flashlight shape, simple metal cylinder. You hold it in your fist with the end protruding from the top or bottom. When you punch, it concentrates all your force into a small point. Your 100-pound punch becomes a 500-pound impact. Pressure point targeting most effective on temple, collarbone, ribs, back of hand, wrist, knee. It causes intense pain without requiring significant strength. Legal status varies by location. Checkmark legal in most U.S. states. Warning: some states classify as weapons. Crossmark not TSA approved. Sharp points. Warning: check local laws before carrying. Generally legal for daily carry in most states. In your car, on your person, walking. Tool number 3. Safety alarm jewelry, $20. The screamer. Tool number 3. Personal safety alarms disguised as jewelry. These look like normal bracelets, necklaces, or even rings. But they emit a 130 decibel alarm, louder than a jet engine at takeoff. She's Birdie, Basu E-alarm, the most popular models. She's Birdie. Charm that looks like a decorative pendant, Basu E-alarm. Wristband that looks like a fitness tracker. Various ring designs with pull pin alarms. How they work: simple mechanism. You pull a pin or press a button, and it emits a piercing 130 decibel alarm. This startles and disorients attacker, draws attention from others, signals you need help, often causes attacker to flee. Effectiveness statistics. Studies show that noise-based deterrents stop attacks 85% of the time. Attackers want easy targets. Loud alarms create. Attention witnesses panic. Attacker loses composure. Evidence. Sound carries far. Legal status. Universal approval. Checkmark. Legal in all 50 states. Checkmark. TSA-compliant. Checkmark. No age restrictions. Checkmark. No permit required. Checkmark. Allowed in schools. Checkmark. Allowed in government buildings. Real-world effectiveness. A runner was approached by someone suspicious on a trail. She activated her alarm bracelet. The person obediently ran away. She never had physical contact. The alarm alone prevented the situation from escalating. Best practices. Carry tips. Keep it accessible, not buried in bag. Test it monthly. Battery check. Know exactly how to activate. Use in combination with other tools. Don't deactivate until you're safe. Bonus features. Many models include LED flashlight, location tracking, text to phone, emergency contact notification, rechargeable battery. Tool number 4. Tactical flashlight, $30. The DISORIENTER narrator. Tool number 4. A tactical flashlight. This looks like a normal small flashlight, but it's designed for self-defense with features most people don't know about. Streamlight ProTac O-Light Warrior. Key features of tactical flashlights. 1000 plus lumens, blindingly bright, strobe mode, disorients attacker, crenellated bezel, strike tool, solid aluminum body, weapon. Demonstration of strobe effect. Watch what happens when I activate strobe mode in darkness. Your eyes can't adjust. You lose balance. You become disoriented. This gives you 3 to 5 seconds to escape or fight back. The bezel weapon. The front edge has pointed teeth, crenellations. These serve 2 purposes. Strike weapon concentrates force, DNA collection. In a struggle, it scratches attacker. Leaves evidence. Legal status and versatility. Checkmark. Legal everywhere. Checkmark. TSA-compliant under 7 inches. Checkmark. Dual purpose. Utility plus defense. Checkmark. No training required for basic use. Checkmark. Works on animals too. Real-world scenarios. Multiple use cases. Late-night parking lots. Blind potential attacker. Home invasion. Disorient intruder while you escape. Animal encounters. Startle aggressive dogs. Car breakdown. Signal for help. See in dark. Power outage. Actually functions as flashlight. Tactical advantages. Why this is genius for self-defense. It's a light. No one questions why you're holding it. You can carry it in hand when walking alone, not suspicious. Even if you never use it for defense, it's still useful. 1000 plus lumens can cause temporary blindness up to 30 seconds. Purchasing guide. Recommended models. Streamlight ProTac HL. $70. Professional grade O-Light Warrior Mini 2. $50. Compact powerful Anker Boulder LC40. $20. Budget option, still effective. Tool number 5. Discreet pepper spray, $15. The chemical deterrent. Tool number 5. Discreet pepper spray. This isn't your obvious red canister. This is pepper spray disguised as lipstick, perfume, or even a car key fob. Disguised pepper spray models, popular disguises. Lipstick case, looks identical to makeup. Perfume atomizer, looks like fragrance. Key fob with panic button. Looks like car remote ring design. Spray from your finger. How pepper spray works. Pepper spray contains capsaicin, the chemical that makes peppers hot. When sprayed in someone's face, immediate eye closure, temporary blindness, respiratory distress, difficulty breathing, intense burning sensation. Effects last 20 to 45 minutes, no permanent damage. Legal status, complex. Legal status varies significantly. Checkmark. Legal in 50 states for civilian use. Warning, some states restrict strength, size. Cross-mark. Illegal in some college campuses. Warning, not TSA approved. Warning, age restrictions in some states. 18 plus. Warning, some states require background check. Always check local laws. Effectiveness and limitations. Effectiveness rate 90% plus when properly deployed. Limitations. Wind can blow it back at you. Doesn't work on everyone. Some people have tolerance. Range 8 to 12 feet typically. Requires aim. Can affect you if in enclosed space. Best practices for use. Critical rules. Spray in sweeping motion, not single stream. Aim for face, especially eyes. Back away while spraying. Once sprayed, run. Don't stay to watch. Call police immediately. Practice with training. Spray. Inert version. Choosing the right model. Best discreet options. Saber lipstick pepper spray. $15. Most discreet. Mace brand key guard. $12. Attaches to keys. Saber ring pepper spray. $18. Wearable palm pepper spray. $25. Not disguised but compact and effective. Storage and maintenance. Important care tips. Replace every 2 to 4 years. Check expiration. Store at room temperature. Don't leave in hot car. Test spray annually. Outside, downwind. Know how to activate before you need it. Tool number 6. Tactical bracelet, $25. The glass breaker, tool number 6. A tactical bracelet. This looks like a trendy survival bracelet or even fashion jewelry, but it contains multiple life-saving tools. Paracord bracelet with integrated tools. These bracelets contain paracord, 550-pound test rope, unravels to 8 to 12 feet, glass breaker tip, escape from car, fire starter, flint and steel, compass, navigation whistle, signal for help, sometimes knife blade or handcuff key. The glass breaker function, the most important self-defense feature. The clasp has a hardened steel tip designed to shatter car windows. Car escape scenarios. Why this matters. Car goes into water, you have 30 to 60 seconds. Car catches fire, doors may jam, trapped after accident, windows won't open, attacker traps you in vehicle. Demonstration explanation. To break a car window with this, remove bracelet, hold clasp firmly, strike corner of window, not center, use jabbing motion, not swinging, window shatters instantly. Legal status, checkmark, legal in all 50 states, checkmark, TSA compliant, usually check specific model, checkmark, it's a bracelet. No one questions it, checkmark, no permit or training required. Additional survival features. The paracord itself unravels to 8 to 12 feet of rope, 550-pound weight capacity, can be used for tourniquet in emergency, tying attacker's hands, creating tripwire, repelling if enough cord, making shelter. Real testimonial. A man's car went off a bridge into a river. Water was filling the car. His power windows wouldn't work. He used his tactical bracelet glass breaker to shatter the window and escape. The bracelet saved his life. Purchasing recommendations, best options. Atomic Bear paracord bracelet, $25. Full-featured Aegis Gears X Series, $30. Premium quality friendly Swede trilobite, $20. Budget option, make your own. Tool number 7. Self-defense ring, $30. The hidden blade. Tool number 7 is the most controversial on this list. A self-defense ring. This looks like a normal ring, maybe slightly chunky or decorative, but it has a concealed blade or spike. Product showcase, Go Guarded ring. Safety ring. Popular models, Go Guarded ring. Concealed blade that flips out, spike rings. Sharp point hidden in decorative design, knuckle rings. Reinforced striking surface. How they work. The blade spike is designed to slash at attacker's face or hands, create immediate pain, give you seconds to escape, leave DNA evidence on attacker. Legal status, most restrictive legal status. Highly restricted, warning illegal in many jurisdictions. Warning classified as concealed weapon in some states. Warning may require permit. Warning not TSA-approved. Warning, check local laws before purchasing. Generally illegal in California. Concealed blade, New York. Concealed. Many cities and municipalities. May be legal with permit in some states. Why I'm including this despite restrictions. I'm showing this because it is legal in some locations. If legal where you are, it's highly effective. You need to know what's available. Some non-blade versions, spike rings, have fewer restrictions. Safer alternatives. If legality is concerned, consider pointed decorative rings, no blade, just sharp design, knuckle duster rings, reinforced but no blade, weighted rings, heavy metal, strike force. These often have fewer legal restrictions. Training is essential. If you carry one of these, get professional self-defense training, practice drawing and deploying, know your local laws inside and out, understand use of force laws, consider legal liability. Real-world considerations, honest assessment. Pros. Extremely discreet, always with you, effective. Cons. Legal issues, requires training, easy to hurt yourself. My recommendation. Unless you're in a location where these are clearly legal and you've had professional training, I'd recommend other options on this list first. But if you meet those criteria, it's a powerful tool. The complete EDC safety kit. Let's build your personal EDC safety kit based on your situation. Kit options by legal environment. Beginner kit, legal everywhere. $70. 1. Tactical pen, $25. 2. Personal safety alarm, $20. 3. Tactical flashlight, $25. Why this works. Checkmark legal in all locations. Checkmark TSA compliant. Checkmark no training required. Checkmark effective deterrence. Intermediate kit. Check local laws. $120. 1. Tactical pen, $25. 2. Self-defense keychain, $15. 3. Tactical flashlight, $30. 4. Discreet pepper spray, $20. 5. Tactical bracelet, $30. Why this works. Checkmark layered defense. Checkmark multiple options. Checkmark legal in most places. Checkmark covers various scenarios. Advanced kit. Strict legal research required, $160. All of the above plus. 6. Personal safety alarm, $20. 7. Self-defense ring, $30 plus. Professional training, $100 plus. Why this requires caution. Warning some items restricted. Warning training essential. Warning legal liability. Warning no use of force laws. Carrying strategy. How to carry. tactical pen, in pocket or bag keychain, on keys always accessible alarm, on purse strap or jacket zipper flashlight, in hand when walking alone pepper spray, pocket or holster clip bracelet, on wrist obviously ring, on finger obviously. The layered defense concept, why multiple tools, redundancy, if one fails, different situations, some tools better for specific threats, legal compliance if one isn't allowed somewhere, confidence, knowing you're prepared. Critical training and legal considerations. Before you buy any of these, you must understand three things: training, laws, and liability. Training resources, free training resources, YouTube channels, hard to hurt, realistic self-defense, active self-protection, real scenarios analyzed, fight science, techniques and tactics, online courses, USCCA self-defense courses, some free, local martial arts gyms, trial classes, police department self-defense workshops, practice, shadow practice daily, 5 minutes practice drawing, deploying tools, build muscle memory, consider pepper spray training, inert canisters. TUNDERSTAND. These laws. 1. Use of force laws. When is force justified? What level of force is appropriate? Duty to retreat versus stand your ground. 2. Concealed weapon laws. What's classified as a weapon? Do you need a permit? Where can't you carry? 3. Self-defense versus assault. When does defense become offense? Legal aftermath of using force, documentation and reporting. 4. Local regulations, city ordinances, state laws, federal property rules. Legal liability warning. Critical reality check. If you use these tools, you will be questioned by police. You may face legal action even if justified. Document everything. Immediately get a lawyer before making statements. Know that self-defense is a legal defense you must prove. The responsibility. Carrying these tools means accepting responsibility. Train regularly, know the laws, use only when necessary, de-escalate when possible, escape is always the best option. These are last resort tools. Situational awareness. The best tool, here's the truth. The best self-defense tool is the one you'll never have to use. And that comes down to situational awareness, the awareness framework. Cooper color code. White. Unaware, relaxed, vulnerable. Yellow. Relaxed alertness, this is the goal. Orange. Specific threat identified, ready to act. Red. Fighting for your life, most people live in white. Predators avoid people in yellow. The challenge, 1315 to 1345. Here's my challenge. Don't just buy these tools. Commit to being prepared. 30-day preparedness challenge. Week 1, research, check laws in your area, watch self-defense tutorials, choose your first tool. Week 2, acquire and train, purchase your chosen tool, practice deploying it daily, build muscle memory. Week 3, situational awareness, practice Cooper yellow awareness, walk routes, consciously notice your surroundings. Week 4, integration, carry your tool daily, make it part of routine, feel the confidence shift. Community engagement, come back and tell me which tools did you choose, have they changed how you feel walking alone, any situations where you felt safer because you were prepared? The closing, these 7 tools can genuinely save your life, but they're not magic. They're force multipliers that require training, awareness and legal knowledge. The hierarchy of safety, priority order, situational awareness, avoid danger, de-escalation, talk your way out, escape, run if possible, tools plus techniques, fight only if necessary. The empowerment message, personal safety isn't about living in fear. It's about living with confidence. It's about walking through the world knowing you're prepared for the worst while hoping for the best. Final reminder, these tools don't make you invincible. They give you options. They buy you seconds. They might save your life, but the real power is in your mind, your awareness, your training, your refusal to be a victim. The responsibility statement, with these tools comes responsibility. Use them legally. Train with them regularly. Carry them confidently. If this information could help someone you know, share this video. Personal safety shouldn't be a secret. Subscribe for more realistic self-defense and EDC content. Stay safe, stay aware, stay prepared.